guys, welcome back. Now I've got this beautiful shadow box that I'm going to show you how to make, and it's really easy. If you think, oh god no, I can't make things like that, then it's so easy. Then I would really like you to have a go. And all it is, I've just got a gift bag and I've used the actual insert from there. Now you can use these like for if you've got birthdays coming up, so you just use the gift bag and use everything on there. Now these can be about £1, so you can make your actual shadow box for £1. And I've just got some of these leftover little bits like that, and put, you probably can't see in this light, but I've got some little fairy lights in there, and it glows up in the dark and looks so nice. So if you want to know how I made this, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So this is our little box. We're going to turn it over and we're going to take it all apart. So there's the back, there's the thing, there's the insert, there's the little bit of cardboard, and there's the glass. Just poke it out and put that somewhere safe. So this is the back of the frame. Then I'm going to put some cardboard underneath, lay it on top. I'm going to draw around the edge, and then I'm going to cut it out. Next, choose any gift bag that you want, but I like this one because it's so beautiful and sparkly. With your piece of card that you've just cut out, find where you want the bottom to be. Now I think there is fine, so all you need to do is just put a little line there so you know where to cut out. So make a line and cut that out. So this is what we cut out, and then we can save this for another project because it's got the same on the other side. Now with our piece of card that we cut, we want these to be in the middle, so about there. Now we're going to draw around the actual cardboard again, and now we're going to cut this bit out. It's looking beautiful already. So now we're going to glue this onto here. Next we're going to place the glass back in. There we go. Then we need to put the white little piece of card in. Then the extra bit that holds everything together and gives you that 3D effect. And then I've got some little like tiny fairy lights. So all we're going to do is that we're just going to glue them inside. Now I've got some little sparkly bits here, so this is going to give me like a 3D branch effect. So all I'm going to do is place it on here and then just glue that in as well. Because our little cable is here, we're just going to snip off a tiny little bit of the edge here, so now cable can go through like so. We're going to put everything together and we'll see how it turned out. And doesn't that look so pretty? Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. Remember, you could do like a wedding one, a christening one, birthdays, Christmas, you know, and just make it imaginative as you can. I also use the gift bag just in this picture frame as well, so I can change this for all the seasons. So if you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and then don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.